Hello again. This is the second video of me going through the ACT math practice test from 2015 and 2016, talking about each problem, how to do each problem, whether or not I would use a calculator, whether or not I would skip it and come back to it later, that type deal. All right. Now, so each question is designed to be able done without a calculator, and sometimes the calculator takes more time than it would by hand. And sometimes the formula would take more time to use than the actual thing. So we're going to go through and talk about each of these problems in that regard. So let's get started. Number 6 says George's current hourly wage for working at Denty Smiles is $12. George was told that at the beginning of next month, his new hourly wage will be an increase of 6% of his current hourly wage. What will be George's new hourly wage? All right, this is a simple increase of 6%, so I'm just going to use the calculator real quick. 12 times 1.06, that way I've got 100% plus 6% more, and I get 12.72, which is H. All right, next. The first term is 1 in a geometric sequence, and then they give me the geometric sequence. What is the 7th term of the geometric sequence? All right, so geometric sequence just means we're multiplying by the same thing over and over and over again, so I got to figure out what that is. It's pretty easy to tell from the first two terms that that's going to be -3. All right, so in my calculator, I got 1 times -3. Okay, there's the second term times -3. Third term, fourth term, fifth term, sixth term, seventh term, 729. And so there's my answer right there. The shipping rate for customers of ShipQuick consists of a fee per box and a price per pound for each box. The table below gives the fee and the price per pound for customer shipping boxes of various weights. So they give me the weights, the fee, and the price per pound. Greg wants ShipQuick to ship one box that weighs 15 pounds. What is the shipping rate for this box? Okay, so it gave us 15 pounds is the price. All right, that means it's going to be between 10 and 25 pounds. So here's my fee, and then I'm going to add on that price per pound. All right, so it's real quick to do in the calculator. We've got $10 plus 65 cents. Oh, that's one too many there. It's 65 cents times the number of pounds, which is 15. And I get $19.75. So the answer there is H. Number 9, a computer chip, and it's 0.32 centimeters thick, is made up of layers of silicone. If the top and bottom layers are 0.03 centimeters thick and the inner layers are each 0.02 centimeters thick, how many inner layers are there? So you got to think about taking off the top and the bottom, and then we got to figure out how many 0.02 centimeters thick layers there are there. All right, so once again, the calculator is a big help for this one. It makes it pretty quick. We've got 0.32. We're going to subtract the top and the bottom, which are both 0.03. So I'm going to subtract 0.06 total. And then I'm going to divide that part by 0.02 to figure out how many of those layers there are. And I get 13. And the last problem, the table below shows the number of cars being sold each month last year. What is the median of the data in the table? Now, if you're going to do this one by hand, this one might take you a little bit longer to organize all these, so you may come back to it later. Not because you don't know how to do it, just because it takes more time than others. I like to do it in the calculator because I can type pretty fast in the calculator. So I go Stat, Edit, and then I've got 25, 15, 22, 19, 16, 13, 19, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29. All right, so I've got 12 numbers in there. And if I go Stat, Calc, my one variable statistics, and scroll down, it actually tells me what the median is, 23.5. Now, if you didn't do it that way, you would have to organize all these in order from least to greatest and then find the middle number. So definitely using the calculator will speed that up and let you get that question underneath a minute type deal. All right, and that was the next 5 questions. I will be here again tomorrow for the next 5 questions. Until then, good luck with your studies. Later.